Hello, everyone. Today, we will practice the word art. Let's practice with me.
Art. Modern art.
I like art. Art is beautiful. She studies art.
Art shows culture.
We visit art galleries. Art inspires creativity. The art exhibition opens. He paints art daily. Art improves skills.
Art classes start soon.
Art helps express feelings. We discuss art styles. Art connects people. Art is in museums. She loves abstract art.
Art reflects history.
Art creates emotions. Art inspires new ideas. We enjoy art together. Art improves our minds. Art makes life colorful. Thank you for practicing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share VocabStick. See you again in tomorrow's video.